Hey guys, we received this Metka walking cane with LED light for test and try. So adjustable 37 inches folding cane with a walking stick. So it's a collapsible daily mobility or the supportive cane. So this comes in a really nice box and the pack that you can store it in. And this is the cane which you can easily fold and you can just take it with you anywhere. So here it's adjustable is good. You can just stick and it will just go on its own. And this is all set. And yeah, for folding also you can just take out. So I have the rubber grip. So it's a good grip overall. So you can see is a good hold and the foldable and collapsible rubber feet, white pivoting base, and also have a LED light that I will show you. So this have a LED light. So initially you have to take out the protective uh, case for the battery. So here is the battery. So you have to take out this protective case. This have the small button battery thing in here. So let me just use it now. So you can see the LED light is really bright, so it can light up the area where you want to go in dark. With your can, you can adjust the angle of this LED light as well. You can adjust the height of this cane as well. So it's pretty good and a very nice design and with a good rubbery base. So it's easy to carry, as you can see, it's lightweight and it's hold up well with this wide base and also with the rubber stop this is good. So with the LED light you can easily see the path and you can just move forward, convenient grip on the rubber hand as well. So very nice stick.